If you're over 45 and your vision feels weaker at night, you're not alone. Many seniors tell me the same quiet fear. I can still see, but it's not clear anymore. Lights glare, reading strains my eyes, and sleep doesn't refresh my vision like it used to. Here's the truth most people never hear. Vision loss doesn't happen during the day. It happens silently at night when the eyes fail to repair, and that failure is almost always nutritional, not just age. Your eyes are living tissue. Every night while you sleep, the retina renews light-sensing cells, the optic nerve clears waste, and tiny blood vessels relax and refill. But if your body doesn't have the right nutrients before bed, that repair system runs on empty. That's why two seniors can sleep the same hours and wake up with very different vision clarity. I once worked with a 71-year-old man who stopped reading at night because letters blurred together. His eye exam showed normal aging. But when we changed only what he ate in the final 90 minutes before sleep, his night clarity slowly returned. No new glasses, no supplements, just food, timed correctly. In this video, I'll share 3 foods seniors should eat before bed that support vision repair while you sleep. These are not trendy foods. They're not the usual carrots or spinach. They're quiet, overlooked foods that nourish the retina, protect the macula, and support nerve signaling overnight. The first food is ricotta cheese. Most seniors avoid cheese at night, but ricotta is different. It's soft, low in sodium, and easy to digest. More importantly, ricotta is rich in vitamin A precursors, riboflavin, vitamin B2, and cysteine, 3 nutrients your eyes desperately need during nighttime repair. Here's what happens after sunset. Your eyes stop processing new visual input and switch into regeneration mode. During this time, your retina rebuilds rhodopsin, the pigment responsible for night vision and low light clarity. Without enough vitamin A building blocks, this process weakens, which is why seniors struggle most with dim rooms and nighttime driving. Ricotta provides those building blocks gently, without stimulating the nervous system or spiking blood sugar. The riboflavin in ricotta supports energy production inside eye cells, while cysteine helps your body produce glutathione, the master antioxidant that protects the lens and retina from oxidative damage overnight. A small bowl, about half a cup, of plain ricotta, eaten 60 to 90 minutes before bed gives your eyes exactly what they need to repair while you sleep. Many seniors report waking up with less dryness, less burning, and clearer morning focus. The second food works deeper at the cellular level and is one of the most underrated vision foods for seniors: purple cabbage. Purple cabbage isn't just a vegetable, it's one of the richest natural sources of anthocyanins, the pigments that protect blood vessels and improve night vision. These compounds strengthen the tiny capillaries that feed oxygen to your retina and optic nerve, especially important at night when circulation naturally slows. As we age, those tiny vessels stiffen. Blood flow becomes less efficient. The retina becomes undernourished during sleep. That's when vision gradually fades. Purple cabbage helps reverse that process. Anthocyanins improve microcirculation and help stabilize collagen in eye tissues. They also reduce inflammation inside the eye, which is a major cause of blurred vision and eye fatigue in seniors. But timing matters. Eating purple cabbage during the day helps general health. Eating it before bed supports retinal repair while you sleep. Lightly steamed or finely shredded purple cabbage, with a drizzle of olive oil in the evening, makes the antioxidants more absorbable and gentle on digestion. Seniors who include purple cabbage at dinner or as a small evening portion often notice reduced glare, better contrast sensitivity, and calmer eyes within a few weeks. Now let's talk about the third food, the one that directly supports optic nerve signaling and eye-brain communication: pistachios. Most people think of nuts as daytime snacks, but pistachios are uniquely suited for nighttime vision repair. They are one of the highest nut sources of lutein and zeaxanthin, the same protective pigments found in the macula, the central part of your vision. Unlike many nuts, pistachios also contain melatonin and magnesium, which support deeper sleep. That matters because the eyes repair best during deep sleep phases. Better sleep equals better vision repair. Lutein and zeaxanthin act like internal filters, protecting retinal cells from oxidative stress. At night, they help stabilize photoreceptor cells and reduce light scatter, one of the main causes of halos and glare around lights. A small handful of unsalted pistachios, about 20 to 25 nuts, Eaten an hour before bed provides enough of these pigments without weighing down digestion. Seniors often report improved night clarity and less eye strain within weeks. Now here's the most important part. These foods don't work because they're healthy. They work because they align with your body's nighttime repair rhythm. Your eyes are designed to heal while you sleep, but only if you give them the right materials beforehand. You don't need all three every night. Even rotating them through the week can make a difference. Consistency matters more than quantity. And if you're thinking, I already take eye supplements, understand this. Supplements don't trigger repair signals. Food does. Real food communicates safety and nourishment to your nervous system, telling your body it's time to restore, not just survive. In the next part, I'll show you exact evening combinations, what to avoid eating that cancels these benefits, and how seniors with diabetes or high blood pressure can use these foods safely, because aging eyes are not broken, they're just underfed at the wrong time. One of the biggest mistakes seniors make is eating the right foods at the wrong time. Vision repair doesn't happen randomly, it follows a rhythm, and when you eat matters just as much as what you eat. After sunset, your body slowly shifts out of digestion mode and into restoration mode. Blood pressure lowers, blood sugar stabilizes, the nervous system calms. This is when the eyes finally get a chance to repair the damage accumulated throughout the day. But if your evening meal is too heavy, too salty, or too sugary, that repair process gets interrupted. That's why the three foods we're discussing work best when eaten strategically. Let's talk about how to use ricotta cheese correctly at night. Ricotta works best when eaten plain or lightly paired, not mixed with sugar, jam, or processed crackers. Sugar before bed spikes insulin, and insulin suppresses nighttime repair hormones. If you sweeten ricotta, you cancel half its benefit. The best way for seniors to eat ricotta in the evening is simple: half a cup of plain ricotta, eaten slowly, about 60 to 90 minutes before sleep. If you want flavor, add a pinch of cinnamon or crushed pistachios. This combination feeds the retina and optic nerve while keeping blood sugar stable. Ricotta should never be eaten alongside processed meats or salty foods at night. Sodium pulls water away from the eyes, worsening dryness and morning blur. Seniors who complain of gritty eyes often eat hidden salt late in the evening without realizing it. Now let's use purple cabbage the right way. Raw purple cabbage is healthy, but for seniors at night, lightly steamed or sautéed is far better. Cooking softens the fiber, making it easier to digest and improving absorption of anthocyanins. A small serving, about half a cup, with olive oil in the evening is enough. You don't need large bowls. Eating too much fiber late can disrupt sleep, which directly harms vision repair. Purple cabbage pairs beautifully with dinner, especially if dinner is early. Seniors who eat dinner by 6 or 7 p.m. and include purple cabbage often see better results than those who eat late. If you eat late, keep the portions smaller. One critical mistake to avoid is combining purple cabbage with vinegar-heavy dressings at night. Acidic foods late in the evening can irritate digestion and reduce mineral absorption, which the eyes need during sleep. Now pistachios, these must be eaten carefully. More is not better. Pistachios are nutrient-dense, but overeating them at night can slow digestion. The sweet spot is about 20 to 25 unsalted pistachios. Eat them slowly, chew thoroughly, and stop there. Pistachios contain melatonin naturally, which supports deeper sleep. Deeper sleep equals stronger retinal repair. Seniors who snack mindlessly on nuts often complain of restless sleep, which defeats the purpose. Here's a powerful rotation many seniors use successfully. 2 nights a week, ricotta before bed. 2 nights, pistachios. On dinner nights, purple cabbage. This rotation prevents digestive fatigue and keeps the eye repair system consistently fueled. Now let's talk about what kills nighttime vision repair, even if you eat these foods. The first enemy is late-night sugar. Desserts, sweet tea, fruit juice, or honey before bed spikes blood sugar. Elevated glucose damages tiny retinal blood vessels and blocks vitamin A conversion, exactly what your eyes need overnight. The second enemy is alcohol. Even a small drink at night dehydrates eye tissue and interferes with REM sleep, which is when optic nerve repair occurs. Seniors who drink nightly almost always experience faster vision decline. The third enemy is heavy protein late at night. Large portions of meat pull blood flow toward digestion and away from repair. This doesn't mean protein is bad. It means timing matters. Keep heavy protein earlier in the day. Now let's address an important question seniors ask. What if I have diabetes or high blood pressure? These foods are safe when eaten correctly. Ricotta has a low glycemic impact when eaten plain. Pistachios actually improve insulin sensitivity when portion controlled. Purple cabbage helps reduce inflammation and supports blood vessel flexibility. The key is portion size and timing. Seniors with diabetes should eat ricotta and pistachios earlier in the evening rather than right before bed. Monitor how your body responds and adjust. Another overlooked factor is hydration. Mild dehydration at night thickens the tear film and worsens morning blur. A small glass of water with your evening food helps, but avoid large amounts right before bed to prevent sleep disruption. Now here's something very few people understand. Vision repair is cumulative. It doesn't happen overnight. But once the process starts working, it builds momentum. Most seniors notice subtle changes first. Less eye fatigue, less burning, less pressure behind the eyes. Then comes clearer outlines, better contrast, improved night comfort. These changes often appear within 2 to 4 weeks when food timing is consistent. And this is where many people quit too early. They expect dramatic changes in days. But the eyes heal slowly because they are delicate. One more important point. Screen use at night matters. Blue light suppresses melatonin and directly interferes with retinal repair. If you eat the right foods but stare at bright screens late into the night, you reduce their benefit. Dim lights. Reduce screen brightness. Give your eyes darkness after your evening food. Darkness signals repair. In the next part, I'll explain how these foods protect against specific age-related vision problems, including night glare, dry eyes, and early macular changes. And I'll share real patterns seniors notice when repair finally begins. Your eyes are not finished yet. They are waiting for the right conditions. As vision begins to change with age, most seniors notice the same pattern. First, night vision fades, then glare increases, then reading becomes tiring, and finally, confidence drops, especially in low light. What's important to understand is that these changes don't happen because the eyes give up. They happen because the eye tissues stop receiving consistent nighttime repair support. Let's talk about how the 3 foods we discussed protect against the most common vision complaints seniors face. One of the biggest complaints is night glare. Headlights appear star-shaped. Streetlights bloom. This happens when photoreceptor cells lose stability and light scatters inside the eye. Pistachios help here because their lutein and zeaxanthin concentrate in the macula, where they act as internal light filters. When eaten before bed, these pigments stabilize cell membranes during overnight regeneration. Over time, seniors often notice less light scatter and calmer night vision. Another common issue is dry eyes, especially in the morning. Seniors wake up with gritty, burning, or sticky eyes and assume it's allergies or aging. In reality, it's often poor tear film regeneration overnight. Ricotta supports tear quality by providing vitamin A precursors and riboflavin, which help regenerate the mucin layer of tears. Without that layer, tears evaporate too quickly. Seniors who add ricotta before bed often report that their eyes feel more comfortable upon waking, not because of moisture alone, but because the tear film becomes more stable. Now let's talk about blurry vision that comes and goes. This type of blur often isn't structural damage. It's circulation-related. Purple cabbage helps here by strengthening the capillaries that supply oxygen to the retina. Anthocyanins improve blood vessel elasticity, allowing nutrients to reach eye tissue more efficiently during sleep. Over weeks, improved circulation supports clearer vision during the day and better contrast at night. Another major concern for seniors is early macular changes. While food cannot reverse advanced degeneration, it can slow progression and support remaining healthy tissue. Pistachios and purple cabbage work together here. One protects the macula from oxidative stress. The other improves blood flow and reduces inflammation. When eaten consistently in the evening, they support maintenance rather than decline. Let's also address eye pressure sensations. Many seniors feel heaviness or tightness around the eyes at night. While this isn't always glaucoma, it's often related to poor microcirculation and fluid imbalance. Purple cabbage supports vessel relaxation, while pistachios provide magnesium, which calms smooth muscle tension. Seniors often report feeling less eye tension after several weeks. Now here's a subtle but powerful benefit few people notice at first: better eye-brain coordination. The optic nerve doesn't just need nutrients, it needs quiet time to repair. Pistachios contain B6 and healthy fats that support nerve signaling, while ricotta provides cysteine for antioxidant defense. Together, they help the optic nerve transmit cleaner signals. Some seniors describe this as images feel steadier or my eyes don't struggle to focus as much. Another overlooked area is inflammation. Chronic low-grade inflammation accelerates vision decline. Purple cabbage contains compounds that calm inflammatory pathways inside eye tissue. Reducing inflammation doesn't create dramatic overnight changes, but it preserves function long-term. This is why seniors who stick with these foods often say their vision doesn't worsen as quickly as it used to. Now let's talk about sleep quality, because vision repair and sleep are inseparable. Pistachios naturally support melatonin production. Better melatonin equals deeper sleep. Deeper sleep equals stronger retinal repair. Many seniors don't realize they're not reaching deep sleep consistently. They lie in bed but never fully shut down. Evening nutrition can change that. Ricotta helps here too. Its protein content supports stable blood sugar overnight, preventing the 3 a.m. cortisol spike that wakes many seniors. Fewer awakenings mean longer repair windows for the eyes. Now let's address expectations. These foods don't act like medication. They don't force change. They support processes your body already wants to do, if given the chance. Most seniors who benefit notice changes in stages. First comes comfort, then clarity, then confidence. They stop rubbing their eyes as much. Reading feels easier. Night lights look softer. This usually begins around week 2 or 3. More noticeable changes often appear after 4 to 6 weeks of consistency. It's important not to combine these foods with harmful nighttime habits. Bright screens late at night undo progress. So does heavy stress before bed. Stress hormones block repair pathways. Create a simple nighttime routine. Eat one of the vision foods. Dim the lights. Let your eyes rest. Even small changes compound. Another important point, hydration earlier in the evening matters more than right before bed. Dehydration thickens blood and reduces nutrient delivery to the eyes. Drink water earlier, not late. Now let's address supplements. Many seniors ask if they should take eye vitamins alongside these foods. Supplements can help, but they should never replace food. Food activates digestion-based repair signals that pills cannot. If you do take supplements, take them earlier in the day. Let food handle nighttime repair. Because the goal isn't perfection. The goal is giving your eyes a fighting chance every single night.